Welcome back, friends. Thanks for tuning in today. You've reached Tiffkneebaby TV and it's your girl Tiffany. We're back today with another wig review. First things first, let's get all of the little fine print out of the way first. I need you to hit that subscribe button if you're watching. Make sure that the notification bell is rung. And before we begin, give this video a big thumbs up. All right, honey, today we will be getting into this upscale 20-inch virgin Remi hair lace hair wig. This is on a 360 frontal and it is in a deep wave. She's just absolutely gorgeous. I've already done some pre-work. I'll insert some footage, but I'm going to drop the intro now so that you can watch me work. We're going to be using the Clairol BW2 powder along with some 30 volume developer, some Shimmer Lights purple shampoo, and last but not least, I will be using some silicone mix in order to condition and co-wash this unit. This is what she's currently looking like. Your comb situation is standard, 2 on the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps. Again, this is a 360 unit, so you do have lace in the back as well. Now, I do not personally plan on wearing this up in an updo style, so I did just go ahead and cut the lace off from the back before we begin this install. Straight onto my head, this is Miss Upscale 20 inches. The curl pattern is very natural looking. This is gonna wave up really nicely if we put some water into it, or it's a really good dense texture if you wanted to put some rollers in it and roller set it. This would look bomb that way. Or I'm also thinking that a twist out might look amazing on this texture of hair. Here's what the hairline looks like. Again, I did pluck this. This did come semi pre-plucked. I'll insert a photo. But for the most natural look that I could achieve, I did do a little bit of extra work to this one. Keep in mind, all of that is not required. You could use just some lace tint spray or some makeup underneath the cap to camouflage those knots, but I had some time this week. This cap is extremely comfortable. There is so much room. This is absolutely 100% big head friendly. I am not experiencing any tangling, nor am I getting any shedding. Winning. I'm gonna go ahead and lay this down with the combo. You know the combo around here, babe. Got to be. I'm not really interested in laying down baby hairs per se, because I do think that the hairline of this unit is pretty good. Alright, friends, so at this point, I've done a lot to this unit, but the reason that I put so much work into this is because this is one of the most expensive units that SamsBeauty sells. So I've reviewed several things for them. I've reviewed wigs at lots of different price points. You guys know that I'm a big advocate for slaying on a budget and saving a coin, honey. However, some of us are more boutique type of wig wearers that don't want a factory made out of the box type of slay. So they're looking for something a little bit more custom at a higher price point. This particular unit is currently listed for $239.99. Now, that's the sale price. The regular price for this unit is $559. If I had on some pearls, I would be clutching them right now. I'm gonna give you a 360 so that you can see it all the way around before I give you my final opinion. All right, while we chat, I'm gonna wet her down so that you can see what she looks like wet and see if we can define these curls a bit more. Overall, this unit is really nice. There are some distinct qualities about this unit that you can tell make it a more expensive unit, like the frontal. Sometimes when you get a frontal, they will have those short kind of flyaway hairs that stick up. The majority of the hair will be the same length, but there will be some little sticky flyaways that you got to use those wax sticks or some kind of wax or some kind of mousse or something to lay down. You know what I'm talking about? This doesn't have that. So there's plus one, number one. All of the hairs in this frontal were consistent. Some of them broke, some of them have been torn due to the bleaching and me combing it and things like that. But the number one thing that I can say about this is that the quality of the frontal hair is the exact same quality as the rest of the hair in the back. Sometimes those things can change a little bit. Sometimes that wave pattern can be a little bit different on human hair. I'm not getting that at all with this. This hair texture is also incredibly, incredibly soft. It's so silky. It feels so nice. This feels like grade A10 hair.
The other thing that I really like is that this thing is super full. The tracks are spaced close together and you get every single strand that you deserve on this wig, honey. It is much fuller than the more affordable units that I have.
For $200, $300, $400, $500, I expect my knots to be bleached. I expect an HD lace, and I also expect that the hairline is pre-plucked. This didn't really come with any of that. The hairline wasn't super dense, it was lightly plucked, but for the price point that we're looking at, sis, I feel like that work should already be done. I shouldn't have to put any work into a unit that is this expensive. Did it come out positively and absolutely slayed? Yes, it did. Do I feel like $500 in it? Absolutely. But should I have had to do the amount of work that I did in order to get it to look like this from the price that they want for it? I don't know. There will be links down below. I do recommend this unit. I feel like this is all over the place right now. I really love this unit. I work for my coins. I get up and I log onto my computer. I don't go to work anymore. Everybody's at home at this point. But I get up and I log onto my computer and I collect my check every 2 weeks. And $500 is a lot for me personally. So when I could slay this, I will absolutely slay this. Thank you so much, SamsBeauty, for sending this over. It's gorgeous and I love it. But are there more affordable options out there? Absolutely. If you're an advanced wig wearer and you need a serious slay and you didn't come to play games, honey, then this one is definitely for you. I would strongly recommend this to someone of that wig wearing caliber. I hope that makes sense. Thank you so much for the time that you spent watching me. I appreciate you rocking with me and sticking with me through this review. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Make sure that bell is rung, make sure that subscribe button is clicked, and make sure you come back to catch this next slay. Have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. Thanks for watching Tiffkneebaby TV. Bye, loves.